Okay, here's just a quick little garden walkthrough. Again, between thunderstorms. Dallas weather has been kind of crazy and it's 90% humidity. So that's kind of nuts, but it's like such sporadic thunderstorms that like not even the weather radar will tell you, like they'll just randomly pop up. So anyways, we're just gonna film a quick little walkthrough. All of the herbs are doing so good. This is mint, and I've heard a lot of things about mint, but it's growing like way slower than I was under the impression that it would. But anyway, these are doing good. My tomato plant, I've talked about this, and I know I've been informed that I've put the cage upside down. I am aware. Is doing phenomenal. There's like 10 tomatoes on this plant. This is gonna get a few. I might honestly leave it upside down like this because I need to put one of those nets over it so the birds don't eat my tomatoes, because they definitely will. My basil is doing phenomenal. This lemon thyme looks so cute. My lavenders, I think, are done for the season. I think I need to pull all these off. Let me know if I'm supposed to pull these off. Yes. It's so humid, I have to keep wiping off the camera lens. Okay. Our roses, I think I didn't really post about this, but I got these 3 plants on clearance the other day at Lowe's. It's like a hummingbird attracting mint. So that's exciting. Our roses are about to put on their second little show. I was like getting a little frustrated with them because it was like they bloomed a bunch in April and then like they completely just died off. But very excited because it has all these new ones, all of this new growth. Super exciting. Oh, it seems that I have a vine. This one is growing like 6 inches, so that's super exciting. My agapanthus are really popping off. And they all have a bloom coming, like each of them. And then, but this one has 3, so I'm super pumped for that. That'll be very exciting. The main reason I really wanted to film this is because I have to show you these flowers from the wildflowers. These are like the prettiest flowers I've ever seen. I don't know what they're called. I have no idea. Every day they come out, there's a new one. They look like tissue paper or like crepe paper. Anyway, they are so pretty. These are new today. I'm just now seeing these for the first time. And okay, so I've only been looking at this thing from like the top down. Look how thick this, like, what is this gonna be? A sunflower? Like, I'm so confused. But look, it's like when you come down on this level, there's so many more. Like, look at that, those cute flowers. It's like a whole little ecosystem down here. Anyways, but I'm so obsessed with all of this. These are definitely gonna flower. This one is just ginormous. And there's some other cute ones over here. I'm very happy with this. My parents actually did this at their house, so that's what sort of sparked it. But anyway, I'm super happy with this. But I just think these little flowers are literally the prettiest thing I've ever seen. That is like so pretty. Anyway, not really that much different stuff is going on from the last time. My heucherilla are still in bloom. These have been in bloom for like 3 or 4 months at this point. My Miss Lemonabelia is going insane. Like, oh, she's flowering too. Like, this is all her. She is flowering though. That's so exciting. How pretty. So that's exciting. Oh, my butterfly candy. This one is one that has come back. So this is exciting. This is little raspberry. It's so cute. This one, I'm just like, I randomly put this here because I just had an extra. And that's the first one to bloom. Like, they've all come back. But I have seeds in these. I just threw them in and I finally got my first little flower. I gasped when I saw that. I was like so excited. What else? Our hydrangeas are very much in bloom. So that's really exciting. I wasn't really sure if we could actually grow hydrangeas, but we can. For now, at least. I think this is the pop star hydrangea, I'm pretty sure. Richard kept asking me why it looks so different from all the other ones, and that's all I think to tell him. This is gonna, whenever this blooms, it's gonna be crazy. This is the Start Living leucanthemums. There's like 6 blooms ready to come out on that. So that's super exciting. This is my massive butterfly candy. I think this is about as big as it's supposed to get. It's supposed to get 2 to 3 feet high and 2 to 3 feet wide. And it's like so close to blooming, like all of them are. So that's exciting. What else? Oh, my blackberries. We did end up picking, there was 3 that came off of that. The bird ate 1, whatever. So we had 2. They were really good. I thought that would be all she wrote, but this one now is starting to flower a whole bunch. So that's like 6. So that would be very exciting. There's some more down here. So that would be very exciting. I need to I bought stakes to stake them up. I'm gonna do that because they're gonna get a little top heavy. So honestly, I might put the net over this. We're going out of town next weekend for Memorial, so I might end up putting the net over that just to avoid any bird snafus. We have this here. They're up there right now as I speak about them. They're waiting for me to move so I can eat them. We do have these covered. Oh, these blueberries look about ready. Oh, exciting. The nets have really helped. They're not very aesthetic, but that's okay. Another leucanthemum is about to bloom. Oh, here, this butterfly candy is about to go crazy. Look at, I actually can't remember what color this was. Maybe purple. It's so hard to tell until it's actually blooming, but that's about to bloom too. Very exciting. I ended up buying an olive tree for $15 at Lowe's the other day because I just thought it was a good idea. So that I need to put that in the ground. This is my yellow ladybanks rose, and do you see how massive? I don't think you quite understand I need to look up the size of this thing again, but it's putting off all of these crazy things, which is so exciting. Do you see how long that is? I'm not quite understanding, but if that's the case, I'm going to get a few more of these and just put them down the fence so we can stop staring at this ugly fence all the time. Anyway, my red It's a Breeze rose is going kind of crazy in a good way. This is starting to open up and bloom. When that little cluster blooms, it's going to be crazy. But I love how this is filling out. I think this also is supposed to grow 2 to 3 feet high and wide. So that's exciting. But yeah, that's basically it. I got these cutie little Adirondack chairs. I keep calling it something else. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I think that looks so cute with the little hydrangeas. And I think those will help. The sun comes this way and sets over here. So I'm hoping that those will kind of help shield the hydrangeas a little bit more from the sun. But yeah, overall, that's about it. I just wanted to document it. It's funny though because we planted a lot of this stuff in the fall last year. The only stuff that's been planted for a year really is all of the roses and these Italian cypresses. But everything else was planted from August to November. So it's seeing how much everything has grown is so insane. So I'm very interested to see next spring and summer if they double in size. So anyway though, that's about it. Just want to give a little update. So yeah.